Today, our group 9, which will conduct an experiment to prove that universal ideal gas law. First, to demonstrate the validity of the universal ideal gas law, consider the relationship between pressure, volume, and temperature, a relationship independent of the number of molecules and gas constant. The second one is to determine the value gas constant R under conditions of different temperature and pressure within the universal ideal gas law, which supposedly remain constant throughout the various conditions, thus proving that the ideal gas law, which is PV equals to nRT, is valid from the ideal gas within various conditions of either pressure, temperature, and volume. The first one is, as the temperature increases, the level on the manometer will also increase. Second one is, the pressure of the gas will exhibit a linear relationship with temperature. The last one is, the value of gas constant, which is R, will remain constant throughout the various conditions. The first one, which is manipulated variables, is this experiment involved manipulating the temperature of the gas inside the round bottom flask. Second one is dependent variables. This experiment measured the level of the manometer. Third one and the last one is, which is the constant variables. The variables that was kept constant in this experiment is the volume of the gas inside the round bottom flask.
Hello, my name is Tifirza Natiop and my metric number is 82982. Now we proceed to the manometer procedures. Let's go. To build the manometer, firstly, transparent tubing is used and cut into desired length. Then the tubing is clamped onto the retort stand to fix its position. Next, the thermometer and one end of the tubing is connected to the cork. For the liquid, the food coloring is poured into the basin and the mixture is stirred until it's fully mixed. Next, syringe is used to fill the tubing until it's reached desired level. Lastly, the level of the manometer is marked, and you did it, your simple manometer.
Hi, hello, my name is Muhammad Irfan Azhari and my number matrix is 82736. And here I am going to continue the presentation with the part of experimental procedure. Firstly, clamp the round bottom flask and sink it into the beaker containing the water, and slowly starting up on the hot plate magnetic stirrer and increase the temperature and increase the stirrer so that the heat can be distributed fairly throughout the system. Make sure that U-tube manometer is in equilibrium level from both end of round bottom flask and the open end of the U-tube manometer before starting the reading. And gently sink in the round bottom flask into the water and make sure to read the reading in the manometer U-tube and read for the increasing level in the manometer U-tube. The process is repeat by dropping the temperature by using the ice and dropping slowly from the temperature that been used throughout the experiment, which is 60 degree, 50 degree Celsius, 40 degree, 30 degree, 20 and 10 degree Celsius.
Hi, my name is Abdul Rahman Abdullah and my matrix number is 83029. I will discuss about the data table and the result. For the result, we can calculate the pressure using the equation P equals to P at the M plus density times gravity times H. The value of H we can get on the experiment. To get P over T, we can calculate using the pressure value we find from the calculation and the temperature is given. For the R value, we can calculate by using PV equal to nRT and derive it into the R equals to P times V over T. Then we can get the value of R. After we get the value of P over T and the value of R, we can plot the graph of R against P over T. Then this is the graph of R against P over T.